Hello, and welcome to Virtual Investor Conferences. My name is John Viglotti, and on behalf of OTC Markets, we're very pleased you joined us for the AI and Technology Conference. Our first presentation of the day is from iQSTEL. Please note you can submit questions for the presenters in the box to the left of the slides. You can also view a company's availability for one-on-one meetings through the Schedule Meetings tab found on the conference platform. At this point, I'm very pleased to welcome Leandro Iglesias. He's the Chief Executive Officer of iQSTEL, and Jose Puente. He's the Chief Executive Officer of Reality Border, a subsidiary of iQSTEL. iQSTEL Inc. trades on the OTCQX Best Market under the symbol IQST. Welcome, Leandro and Jose.
Thank you very much, John. Thank you very much, OTC Markets, and this is an honor to be here. And thanks to the audience to listen our product Airweb. Well, thanks. Let's talk a little bit about iQSTEL. Our next slide is the forward-looking statements, of course. Next slide, please. This is the agenda that we are going to cover today. Just 2-3 minutes to talk about the iQSTEL, and let's jump to the product in one go. So, a snapshot about iQSTEL. We founded in 2018. We are a US-based telecom and technology company. We trade on OTCQX, and under the symbol IQST, our revenue, we reported $144 million in the past fiscal year 2023, and we are projecting $290 million in this fiscal year 2024. We have a global presence in 20 countries with office in 6 different cities: Miami, Caracas, Buenos Aires, London, Zurich, Istanbul, and Dubai. Next slide, please. Just the takeaway to iQSTEL. We complete 11 strategic acquisitions and organic growth in OTC markets since 2018. 98% of our revenue comes from the telecom division. We foresee to achieve $290 million revenue for this year. We have a very detailed plan to achieve $1 billion revenue in 2027. And we can talk about the management capabilities. We start this journey with $30 million in 2018, and we are planning to achieve $290 million in 2024. Even though our core business is telecommunications, we are entering to offer high-tech and high-value services. In that sense, we announced months ago that we entered in a partnership with a cybersecurity company, Cycurium, and nowadays we want to talk today about our AI services and our new product that we launched 2 days ago, Airweb. Our company have different 4 divisions that today we're going to talk about our AI services, and this is the pyramid of the service that we are offering. You will see that it's highlighted with a red arrow, the Airweb service. And let's talk about Reality Border. Reality Border is a subsidiary of iQSTEL. We started this journey 2 years ago and has been really interesting. At the beginning, we start to work in some ideas around the metaverse, and we developed different metaverse suites for different applications. But during that process of working, we realized that one of the needs that the mass market has is the way that you interact with different companies around the website. So when you are entering to a website of a company, nowadays you only have 2 ways to interact. The first one is that the company has a chatbot, so you can chat and interact with them. On the other way is that you call to the customer service. But sometimes even to get a phone number to call is really difficult. So we realized that we need a product that make easy for the end users to interact with our with their company. So we developed this Airweb. Airweb, what is this? It's an AI agent. That basically, what is an AI agent? Is basically uh, a virtual agent with an engine on AI that you can talk, you can chat, or you can call. We're going to we can provide you a phone number so you can talk with this agent. And this agent could serve in different ways to a company. Could serve as a customer service, could take some complaints, could ask about products and services, and all these interactions can be summarized at the end and send an email, and you can follow up this business lead. The beauty of this is that, you know, the companies can save in customer service because they don't need a person dedicated for that. You are getting a 24/7 customer service in 57 languages. But more than this, the beauty of this is that if you don't want to talk with the avatar that you see at the right bottom of the screen, if you cannot talk with the avatar, talking as you are talking with a person, of if you don't want to text to the avatar, because you can text also with the avatar, you can call to the avatar phone number and you can talk with him fluently. And this is a beauty, because sometimes people don't feel comfortable to chat or chatbot or everything, because the perception that you get when you install a web is fantastic, because you feel that you are talking with a person. So I will pass the word to the Jose Puente, that is the leader of the organization and the wizard behind the creation of this product. So Jose, go on.
Thank you, Alejandro. Thank you very much. So we have created this Airweb that in the end it's a very powerful AI platform. And as Leandro said, what we're trying to accomplish is for any corporation or even professional to have a way for their customers, for their users to interact with the business 24/7. So we try to make it very simple for anyone. You can, well, we'll explain it later, but you can create your own AI agent with this avatar you've seen and with your phone number attached within 2 minutes if you've got a basic implementation. So we think it's very powerful. So like I said before, the main features are you can have the same experience for the user on your own website, where you have this small avatar on your regular website and on your phone number. So this AI agent is able to take all your calls, or at given times, it depends on the configuration, and they can interact with your users, with your customers, and they're going to have human-like conversations. I mean, it's not like an old chatbot where you could configure some questions that you can provide answers to. This is totally new. Of course, we are taking advantage of everything related with AI, so it's very powerful. And the user that is calling you or is interacting on your website is going to have a totally different experience that with our regular chatbot. And the good thing is that you're going to be able to provide support 24/7 in 57 languages. So you're able to open to new markets when they reach your website or they reach your phone number, because you're going to be able to interact with these users wherever they're coming from. And on all these interactions, you're going to be able to capture everything that is happening on that conversation. So it's not like you're even losing in some way the information that is coming from the interaction of your user with your AI agent, but everything is going to be collected. It's going to be even summarized for you, but you can even access the whole transcription of what has happened during that interaction. So that's why it's quite powerful. So what we want is to provide this for any company to try it. So we even provide a free AI agent for anyone that just needs to sign up in our website in airweb.ia. AI, sorry, and so you can do it for free. There are some basic features that you can use on your website, but if you're gonna go beyond that, you wanna have your own phone number, and you want to customize your AI avatar on your website, then you can get your own full featured AI agent for only $89 per month. And then for enterprises that have already deployed some sort of AI models on their business, we can provide this interface for them, and we can integrate even with their own APIs, with their own LLM models, or whatever they have already built, they have already trained. We can interconnect it. Well, in this case, this is a custom solution, but so pricing is flexible. It depends on exactly the use case that they're going to use, but it's very powerful. So we can integrate with whatever solution you're using. We don't care if you're using OpenAI, if you're a big enterprise, or Grok, or any AI model we can integrate with.
Jose,
Like I said,
I think it's important to remark that who could use this service. Every company that has a website, every company that has visitors on their website asking for information, asking for making a complaint, asking for product description, asking for support, technical support. Every company that has a web page can install Airweb, and we have a free plan. You don't have to pay anything, and it's something that you can set up and working in just 2 minutes. It's very simple, very seamless. And of course, if you want to go beyond that, we can offer you a phone number that is, of course, with a cost, but we can customize an application too. So sorry, Jose.
yeah.
Go on.
So you just sign up on this service on our website, and if you subscribe to any paid plan, you're going to be able to have your US number. So it's intended right now for US customers mainly, but any international customer will be able to forward their phone number to this US number that we're providing. You can choose any area code, any state that your business is based in. So in the end, you can do, you can get new customers and get a new way for your users to interact with, creating this AI agent on your phone. And it's like a regular conversation, right? So
Yes, that's basically our platform is we are a telecom company, so we start this product offering US numbers. But if you want to add another special number, let's say a Swiss number, a Spain number, other number from another country, we can set up that. But as I say, we are a telecom company, so we know very well how can provide this service to around the world.
yeah, exactly. We're starting with the US on the website, but of course, for any custom solution, we're able to provide numbers anywhere in the world, or we can even use the numbers that our customers already have from some other vendors, so we can integrate that. And so on the web channel, what we provide on our website is a way for any company to create their own avatar. So they can customize it, they can use any branding asset that they have, so that the small avatar that you see on your own website is going to be customized wherever you like it, right? So
With the company uniform, with the company T-shirt, with the company hat, wherever you want,
exactly.
we can design
Exactly.
the avatar as you want.
Okay, you can design it yourself. You don't need our help, but anyway, for big brands that need some help on this because they haven't done it before, our team will be able to help you with that. But anyway, it's self-service. So as you just sign up and you're able to create your own avatar. You can decide the size of the avatar that's going to appear on your page, the position, everything, and if it's going to be lady, if it's going to be men, whatever. So it's very simple from the user interface for any customer. So what we say is that you're able to launch your AI agent since you sign up in only 2 minutes. So we've got a video on our website where you can see that you can sign up for the service and have your AI agent on your website in only 2 minutes. Most of the customers would take more than 2 minutes.
Free. And it's free.
Yeah, exactly. So, and it's free. I mean, you can have it in 2 minutes and for free. You can just test it. So you'll see it on your own website. So, well, it's technical, but anyway, there is only one line that you have to pay to put on every web page where you want the avatar to appear, and you're good to go with all the configuration, all the customization that you have added on your dashboard on airweb.ai. So it's very simple.
So what is the web page? Our web page, Jose?
Yeah, you can see that it's airweb.ai. Okay.
Simple. The name of the product, airweb.ai. Fantastic.
Exactly. And so use cases, I think we've discussed about this before, but anyway, you can do it very simple, just about clarifications about product characteristics. You can use it for providing some sort of support, opening complaints or tickets or whatever you're using, checking your CRM or your system to check for product availability, accessing FAQs, requesting information from the customers. I mean, you name it. There are so many use cases that can be deployed using Airweb, but in the end, it's up to you. You must find the right use case for your business to really take advantage of this AI technology. And what we're trying to do is this. I mean, we try to build something that is very simple so that you don't feel overwhelmed by this AI hype that we all are hearing everywhere. And we just want any company to be able to start taking advantage of AI on a very simple way. So start with Airweb.
And saving cost. And saving costs, because nobody has to take care of the customer support. It's automated, completely automated.
Yeah, exactly. Because in the end, with AI, what businesses are trying to accomplish is that you want some sort of cost reduction, automating things. So the good thing about AI is that the old automation way of doing business didn't work for supporting users on voice interactions. It didn't work because it was too difficult for many users to use these type of systems. So with AI, it's much simpler. So you will be able to really take advantage of this. And
Jose, so, I think that the really difference is when you calling to a company and the customer service. Sometimes an IVR answering the call and it's to, dial this, dial that to go through the right position. When you call to Airweb, someone in one go is you can go directly to the point. Listen, I have to open a complaint. I want that you explain me about this product. Tell me how this product works. Explain me how long it takes to deliver the product. So very simple. You don't need to surf into a PBX. It's very simple. Once you call and you start calling, it's like you are calling with artificial intelligence. So
okay,
go on.
Leandro, I don't know if we should go with the answers or questions right now.
Let's summarize the applications, Jose.
Okay, so like we said before,
this is the slide. Perfect. Yes, clarification about product characteristics, opening a compliant, checking product availability, answering Q&A, requesting contact information. This is important. Sometimes you enter on a website and just to get the right number to call is difficult. You can ask to Airweb. And this initializing the sales leads. That is really important. Yes, we have a lot of questions, Jose. I don't know if you want
I think we should start with this because otherwise we're gonna run out of time. So there are some interesting questions.
Let me read can you embed this into a browser where it is always in front of the user as an option for sign up?
Yeah. So
So
okay.
yeah, go on.
Okay. So I think the user, this person, what is requesting is if we can use the chatbot as a way to, for the user to enter your website instead of a regular sign up, if I'm not wrong. So if I'm getting this right. So it can be done. For this, it should be a custom solution, but we can integrate with your directory, let's say, so that we can, after the interaction with the user, we're able to let them enter your, let's say, your private part of the website or the dashboard of that using that is interacting with this. So yes, it can be done. It's not so difficult, let's say. The only thing is that we need to understand what you have behind so that we can integrate and making our avatar, our AI agent, take care of that. It can be on a web browser, but even for some features, it could be done over the phone. So this will be probably very innovative, but that's the truth. I mean, the agent you can use it seamlessly on phone or on your website. So you can even provide internal data about this customer if the AI agent is able to get the sign up information from the phone. So it can be done. It can be done on the website or it can be done on the phone.
Perfect. And also, if you pay for the number, you can get the assistance by phone too.
Yeah, exactly. So
Correct. Okay, very good. There is a question about iQSTEL. Let's talk later about this. In other words, can you provide a list of users? Well, we launched the product on just this Monday, and we have a free plan. So the reception of the product surpassed our expectations, and we got several more than we expected user getting the free plan. So answering that question is it's too early to show you numbers, but so far it has been surpassing our expectations in registrations. Um,
I see
who
here an
sets
important. Yeah, let's have it.
this is one interesting. Who sets
Yeah,
up and train the AI agent? Do you provide assistance with the setup? This is, I think, is very good question,
yeah.
Jose.
So it's not necessary for us to train the AI agent unless you really need it. I mean, like right now, what we try is to make it usable for any customer, for any corporation. So we try to avoid all the complexities associated with training a model, let's say. But as I said before, there are some companies that have already deployed their own trained models. So on the custom version of this service, we can use your training model. Or of course, if you still haven't trained the model, I mean, the difference between a trained model and a prompt, let's say, is that on the trained model, you provide, a lot of information about your business that is private. So we can help you with that, but anyway, it depends on you. I mean, we can help you. We can provide some support on training your model, training your AI agent, but we're not. I mean, we don't need to do that if you don't want to. So we can help, but if there is some other company that is working for you doing that, we just insert this training model into our avatar so that you can do it. And if you don't want all the complexities associated with that, you just create a prompt that really resonates with what you want to accomplish with your AI agent. So in the end, we try to provide several ways for any user to be able to create their own AI avatar.
Perfect. Let me summarize. So when I try to set up the Airweb in just 2 minutes, the Airweb takes information available in the on the internet, and you can provide a prompt with a lot of information and in the configuration, right, Jose?
Yeah, that's right. So
Perfect.
there are
Okay,
several
let's
ways
move.
to do this. So right now in the version that we've got live, we're not really crawling the website of our customer. We'll be adding a button for the customer to do that. But on the first version that we had, we try, we were trying how it worked, and it worked really great. The only thing is that we decided not to go live with that feature until the user requests us to do that. But it's as simple as you've got your website, you've got all the information that the customer needs. Okay, we can create your AI agent just with that information if you want to. Okay, so we were doing this automatically some weeks ago. Right now we're not doing this automatically because we want the user to get used to this, and then at any point, if they want that, we can crawl their website to incorporate all the information about the customer.
Fantastic.
So there are multiple ways to configure your AI agent.
Fantastic. We have question about if we have a sales channel. We are in the process to set up some partnership. A suggestion here to offer the product to the companies that have multiple chatbots open. Of course, is part of the strategy, sales strategy that we are going to the things that we are going to do. Talking about iQSTEL and the plan for the 2027 and how come we are going to double the revenue. We are in the process to grow our telecommunication business, and right now we are starting to sell high tech, high margin products, taking advantage of the current business relations that we have to sell more. And we have done the most difficult part, that is having a very good relation with the large telecommunications companies around the world. And this product, Airweb, is a very good example that we can provide them as a white level, or using our brand to provide it, to allow them to provide to their end users. So let me, a lot of questions that,
Okay,
about
there's
training.
one
We
question
already
that
answered.
says,
Ah,
maybe some people
yeah.
have the same question. How does the AI know the answers to questions about the company? Like we said before, there are many ways to do that. We can crawl your website. You can use just the prompt that you have decided to do, or we can use any train model. But it's very simple. I mean, if you just provide some information on your dashboard once you sign up for the service, all the information that wants to be shown, you only have to provide that information, and then the AI agent will be able to talk about your company and really interact with the user and try to get a lead for you to sell any product that you provide on your website on an automatic way. The only thing that you have to take care of is providing your information.
There is another question here talking about, we only have 1 minute. If really takes just 2 minutes to set up everything, is correct, Jose?
Yeah, exactly. You've got a video on the website where you can check that out. So yeah, it's very simple to set up your AI
Fantastic.
agent. Yeah,
Fantastic.
2 minutes for the
What
phone
else?
number and for the website working for with your AI agent. So it's very quickly and very simple.
Well, thank you very much for all the questions. Thank you very much for the audience. Jose, thank you very much. You have done an amazing job developing with your team this product. We are very proud of the things that you are doing and all the things that we have been discussing about the future of the AI services. I think it's important, and it's a way to show that iQSTEL is, in the process to not only offer telecommunication, offering technology and high value for the customers, and crossing, the technology and the telecommunication. Few words, Jose, to end.
No, thank you very much, Leandro, for your kind words. Yeah, we're really willing to start with new businesses using our technology. We're going to be evolving this product with many things that we've got in mind, but we're really excited to have so many people wanting to to onboard on these AI agents. So we're really looking forward to it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, OTC Market.